One thing that I don't really understand, guys, is when people say, that is a parakeet, it's not a parrot. So really, tell me, what is this? Look at him. It actually doesn't matter how big the parrot is, because we have small parrots, we have medium-sized parrots, and we have big, large parrots, okay, guys? So, yes, Yo-Yo Alexandrine parrot is called Alexandrine parrot. It's called parakeet. It's a bird, okay? All these three categories are absolutely fine. So stop saying this is not a parrot. This is a parrot. Does it not look like a parrot to you? Does it look like some sort of eagle to you, or some sort of different sort of funny looking bird? Anyway, subscribe to us.